My granny called, she said, Travis, you work too hard, don't worry, you forget about me. I'm falling in and out of class, don't worry, I'ma get it, granny. What happened now? My daddy happy. Mama called me up, that money coming and she love me, I done made it now. I done found like meaning now. All them days are hard to break, her heart out in pieces now. Friends turning into fathers, practicing half the passion, you niggas package different. All you niggas want the swag, you can have it. I'ma sell it, you niggas salary bout the cabbage. Youngest nigga out in Houston at the Grammys, smiling at him, laughing at me.